In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the explode command. It's a pretty simple command to use, but we do use it quite often. Now, I'm on the home ribbon, and I can find the explode command on the modify panel. It's right here. It looks like a little box. It used to look like, years ago, the icon looked like a little stick of TNT, but they've now changed it, so it just looks like a box that's been exploded here. It is right below the erase command, so right below where you see that pencil. As with anything in AutoCAD, there's a bunch of ways that you can do it. You can type in X, enter, to start the explode command. You can also go to the modify pull down. It is all the way down here at the bottom is the explode command. So I'll just go ahead and click that to start it. And actually I'm going to press enter to end that command. I want to show you what I've got here is I've got a box. It is a rectangle that is all one big polyline, and then I drew just a random shape that's a polyline here. So just a random shape. But what the explode command is going to do is it's going to take that object. So this over here, this box is 4 individual lines, but they're joined together as a polyline. So when I do the explode command, I'm going to select the objects. It doesn't know that I'm done selecting, so I'll press enter to tell AutoCAD I'm done selecting. And that's it. It looks like it didn't do anything, but when I come back over here, now these are 4 individual lines. So we're going to use this command quite a lot. It's a nice way to take, anything that's joined together in one big piece and just break it down to the smaller components that that object is made of. So the first time we did it, we did verb noun, so explode, and then click on the object. But just like all of these modify commands, you can do it the opposite way. So you can say noun verb, noun being this object, verb being explode, and it works the same way. So that's it. That's how you work the explode command. Now I do like to show along with the explode command kind of the opposite of it. I feel like it's the 2 sides of the same coin, but there is a way to take individual lines and make those into a polyline. And to do that, I'm going to click on this modify, the little arrow, pull down arrow next to the word modify. And there is this guy right here. It looks like 2 arrows pointing to each other. You can also type J, enter for join. But what you're going to do with that is you can just draw a window or individually click on those objects or those lines. When I'm done selecting objects to join, press enter, and that joined it back into a polyline. So it did the opposite of the explode command. So I'll come do the exact same thing over here, join, and then select all the objects, press enter, and now it is back to being a polyline. So just flip sides of the same coin. One is the explode command, takes a polyline and explodes it into the smaller components. And then the join command takes those individual lines or components and it joins it into one continuous object.